This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Now we will discuss today program. We'll create a program to calculate area and circumference of a circle. The program should get the radius of the circle from the user and display result. The hint is the formula to calculate the area of triangle. The area is equal to 3.14 is the value of the pi, and we will type radius into radius. So basically the formula is pi r square. So we will type 3.14 and then type radius into radius. It means that there is a radius raised to the power 2 and circumference. Formula to calculate circumference is 2 into 2 pi r, means 2 into 3.14 value of the pi, and then in the end value of radius. So these are the two formula we're going to use. Now we'll switch to the IDE of DW Basic. So let's switch to the IDE. So here we are, viewers. Will type first line number 10, we will type CLS. Line number 20, we will type input, enter radius of the circle equal to sign, double quote, semicolon, radius. Line number 30, we will use variable area equal to 3.14 into, same as we have discussed before in the hint, radius into radius, pi r square. And now for calculating circumference, we will type circum used as a variable, and we will type the formula 2 into 3.14 into radius. 2 pi r is the formula. Line number 50, we will type print area of circle is equal to quote semicolon area. Line number 60, we will type print circumference of circle is equal to, we'll quote semicolon circum. So this are the area we have used at line number 30, and the circum variable we have used at line number 40. Now this circum is going to display the whole formula calculation, which is 2 pi r, and this area is going to display the value of the whole calculation of formula for calculating the area of circle, which is 3.14 into pi r square. So 3.14, you know very well, is the value of the pi, which is used to calculate the area and circumference of a circle. Line number 70, we will type E in the end. Now we will press F4 key and we type AOC area of circle dot BAS, name of the program. We will load it by pressing the F3 key and then again type AOC dot BAS. Now we press the F2 key. So it has to give the value of radius, so I will give 5. And now the area of circle is 78.50001, and the circumference of the circle is 351.4. Like again, execute this program, press the F2 key to run the program, and then I will give 7.5 as the radius of circle. Let's see now. The area of circle is 176.625 and the circumference of circle is 47.1. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video, viewers. Area of circle program.